Cleaning gutters doesn't have to mean risking your safety on a ladder. The Wet-Dry Vacuum Gutter Cleaning Kit offers a smarter, safer way to tackle this chore from the ground. Designed for ease and efficiency, it lets you clear debris without climbing up high or struggling with awkward tools. What sets this kit apart are its 2 additional extension wands, which extend your reach to gutters that usually feel out of range. After all, a gutter cleaning kit isn't very useful if you can't actually reach the gutters. These wands make sure you can cover the entire perimeter of your home with ease. The 90-degree elbow attachment is a clever feature that directs your shop vacuum's power right into the gutters. This means you can either blow out or vacuum up leaves, dirt, and other debris without hassle. Plus, the 2-1/2-inch diameter hose allows for larger debris to be collected while maintaining maximum airflow, ideal for thorough gutter cleaning. This kit is compatible with most shop vacuums that use a 2-1/2-inch diameter hose, making it a versatile addition to your cleaning tools. It includes essential accessories like the 90-degree elbow, 2 extension wands, a blower nozzle, and a male-to-male adapter, giving you everything you need in one package. Users across the United States praise this kit for making gutter cleaning much safer compared to climbing ladders. One customer shared how it worked best on dry debris, pulling everything out efficiently. While it may require a bit of effort, it's a solid workout that keeps you grounded and secure. A quick tip from experienced users is to wrap duct tape around the joints to keep all the pieces firmly connected during use. This small adjustment enhances stability and prevents interruptions while you clean. If you're tired of the risky climb and want a reliable way to maintain your gutters, this Wet-Dry Vacuum Gutter Cleaning Kit is worth a look. It offers practical benefits that save time and reduce hazards, making gutter maintenance less of a chore. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your cleaning routine. With this kit, you get the reach, power, and accessories needed to keep your gutters clear and your home protected, all from the safety of the ground.